Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can download TikTok video in your device. For that you have to watch the full video. So let's get started. First you have to go to the Play Store and then you have to search TikTok. Okay, I'm searching. Yeah. So yeah, I found TikTok. So you have to install it. Okay, it's installed now. So you have to open the app. Just open it and then here you will see some things. Agree and continue. You have to give your identity, like you whether you are female or male. Just give it male, and then give your interest, like what do you want to watch. Okay, like if you want to watch entertainment, culture, daily life, then give it. If you want to watch like if you want to listen music, gaming related video, then you can give it too. So that's it. I'm not giving anything, so I will skip. So just sweep and start watching. So here it is. Your profile successfully created, and now you have to just do one thing. You have to sign up, and that I will show you in the next video. Thanks for watching this video guys, and do like, share and subscribe to this video.